Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. Today, we're talking about getting clear about your goals, knowing what you really want in life, what you want to do, what you want to have. We're going to listen to a conversation I had with my friend Virginia, who gives us some great questions to answer. We need to figure out your answers to these questions. This is part of our beginner series, so it's very important to repeat after me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give my videos a like. Feel free to comment and ask questions below. Okay, so I want you to pick out these questions that Virginia asks. Let's practice them together. Repeat after me. What do I want in 5 years? Where do I want to be? Who do I want to be? What do I want to be doing? Where do I want to be living? We're practicing question words together. What, where, who. Okay, let's listen to the conversation we had together. After you hear the questions, pause the video and repeat them again.
And so, yeah, with manifestation, you just have this amazing opportunity to be like, what do I want in 5 years? Where do I want to be? Who do I want to be? What do I want to be doing? Where do I want to be living? And then when you have these thoughts in your mind.
So let's practice these questions together. Okay, repeat after me. What do I want in 5 years? When we ask what, we're looking for specific information. Repeat after me. I want to travel to different countries. I want a family. I want to work in accounting, business, education. I want a successful online business. Write what you want in 5 years in the comments below for me to review. Okay, where do I want to be? When we ask where, we're talking about a place. It can be a physical, emotional, or personal place. Let's talk about physical. Repeat after me. I want to be at the beach. I want to be in the city. Now, emotions are how we feel. I want to be happy. I want to be confident. And personal is like where we want to be in our personal life. Repeat after me. I want to be married. I want to be single. I want to be in a relationship. I want to be a mother, father. What do I want to be doing? Again, what is specific information? Repeat after me. I want to have an active lifestyle. I want to be surfing every week. I want to be traveling. I had to add in the two. I want to be connecting with people around the world. Who do I want to be? Remember, who is people? It refers to people. Repeat after me. I want to be a good friend. I want to be a teacher. I want to be an office manager. I want to be an athlete. Where do I want to be living? Repeat after me. I want to be living on the beach. I want to be living abroad. I want to be living in my hometown. I want to be living with my boyfriend, girlfriend. When we live abroad, we live in a different country. When we live in our hometown, it's where we grew up as a child, where we were born. All right, guys, if you like my videos, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. New videos are posted on Mondays, Wednesdays, and sometimes Thursdays. Comment below, ask me questions, keep practicing. Let me know if you have any questions or need any other help. Bye-bye.